So with the way that cable's acting up, got a new one. And this might fix the issue that we're having with the spinner head staying on all the time. It's possible that because it's broken, it's not releasing, something like that. You know, it's just leaving too much tension on it. So we'll just go ahead and replace it. It's pretty simple to replace one of these. It's just like doing one on a push mower or anything else with one of these. All we're gonna need are pliers and a pair of cutters. So just undo that. And with these, if I'm not gonna reuse them, if they're already broken, just use a pair of pliers to take them off. Or you can use a long flathead screwdriver. So it just comes off just like that. So looking underneath, you guys can kind of see that. It's got the standard tangs that come out. So we're just going to press those and do that. And now following the cable all the way forward, we can see where it latches onto. There we go. Stick it in through the hole, kind of route it the same way it was routed before. So that spring is supposed to go right there where the light's at, and the end is completely broken off. I don't know if I can save that, maybe pull out another ring. I think I'm going to try that, see where we can get with it, but I bet that's why the this thing wasn't undoing itself, was because of that issue. So I actually had to cheat. I had to bend out the end of it with a pair of channel locks just to get it through that hole, because it was a pain. Once I bent it out a little bit, stuck it through, then bent it back closed to how it was. So now we can install this just like that. Pull the slack out. That's good. So I'm not gonna hook that up just yet. First, we need to work on this spring. Here we can see where the wire for the spring pops out. All I'm going to do with this is kind of pull it out. Bend it in, just like that. So it's nice and tucked away. So, just like on a mower, I'm going to stick this into the handle. And then down here, where it's supposed to link back up. And we can see the spinner head moving, so it's working like it should now. So now all I have to do is just put those two zip ties on it. We'll get it outside and try and see if we can start it and see how this thing works now. Full throttle, just one prime.